Everyone, welcome back to another episode of the R.A.D Skatepark Check-In. I'm Vincent Basile. Like always, Anthony Biondo behind the lens. Today we arrive at the Mattano Skatepark right here in Elizabeth, New Jersey. This is episode 8. If you don't know what we're doing, the gist of our channel is we get to the skate park and we literally show you every feature. We get up close and personal, and then we generally have a small skate session at the skate park just to show you the possibilities. I'm not a pro, it doesn't matter, we're just showing you a little bit of information. We've already did all of Long Island skate parks, so please check out those videos. And New York City, yeah, there's about like 50 skate parks up to date. I'm sure they're currently building more, but please check out those videos as well. Check us out as we venture upstate and we venture through New Jersey. I'm gonna take this time right now to say, if you guys have not subbed to the channel, please hit that button. Please help our mission, help us grow. It's absolutely free, so you guys are super rad for doing that. With all of that being said, guys, let's go up in the skate park and show you what we got going on in here. Alright guys, now that we entered the park, I want to show you the first feature as we walk in. Is this nice size hip right to the right side of this park. If you look in this general direction is your skate park, Mattano Skatepark. I hope I'm saying that right. Yo, what's the name of this park?
This is Mattano.
Ah, I said it right, thank you, right. Mattano. Yeah. Do you guys have a nickname for the park?
You guys, or Matt, you could call it Matt, you know?
Yeah, so just for short, Matt. Yeah. I don't know, you guys correct me if I'm wrong. You're from New Jersey and you're watching the video. Let me know. I don't know, I'm from Long Island.
It seems like the park is like almost like a V or a U, and it's split up. That half's transition, this half's street.
So I do know what you're saying. Yes, the park is like, you go that way, bowl, transition area. You could call it street as much as you want, but we're inside of a skate park.
But it's the street section, street style.
I give you 5, but I don't know. 5. Don't associate street with skate park. In past parks, I know I've referred to certain sections as street.
Their designs are based on street features. Those designs are based on like pools and, you know, banks and ditches.
Valid. Let's get in here and show you guys. There's a hubba right there, and there's a hubba right here. Manual pad, fun box, rail, and then on the other side of that is your out ledge that, you know, from one side to the next. Oh my God, I just wanted to show you this feature over here. Quarter pipe, right behind me. So your boy Anthony over here was talking about it, like, you know, like not you didn't say forking, but like almost.
Watch your mouth.
What are you forking doing? So that's a street according to Anthony, and now this is more transition here, the bowl section. And this is like super rad because, you know, every park is unique in its own way, and then this has its cut up bowl section, not a full complete bowl. It's like a snake run, or is it just like an open bowl concept? This kind of juts out way more. You can see it. It's like an extra 2 feet, 2-inch coping, of course. Drop-in section right here. Hey, that's the whole park. I showed it to you. Let's get some clips. That's what I always say. Let's try to accumulate some clips here before I throw up. Yo, shout out to Jersey Mike's. Yo, we went and got Mike wasn't there. We definitely went to Jersey Mike's. We were in New Jersey. We're like, hey, Jersey. He definitely knows a little thing about New Jersey. It's in the name, so that's where we went. I mean, I don't think you could get food anywhere else in New Jersey, right? Bro, if I don't land this first tee, we're leaving.
Over here. Fucking
what?
Troy Vincent.
Ant's gonna show you how to nose manual. Nah, I don't count. Sipping on no slushy, missing out. What you doing? Drink no slushy, fool.
I want to say what's up. You went to our local. Oh, Nyack.
Nyack, yeah.
That's where it's from. Like that. Najee.
Najee, Vinny.
So you guys are from Nyack?
Yeah.
Damn, okay, word.
What a loser! I was about to get you a couple more clips until this thing ended it all. Because I'm finished. Fed up.
So let's talk about that ground.
Fell. I mean, if you look over there, you can see there's grass and rocks, and these kids are relentless, like back and forth. Scooters, running around, bikes. It's a free-for-all. No one gives a shit. And there's rocks everywhere. And you see they get kicked around. Don't be fooled. Wait, was that even the ground report though? I mean, the ground report sucks because I just fell and I'm leaving.
Bias.
I mean, the ground is perfectly concrete. I mean, smooth, no rocks, I guess you're good. Overall, the ground is good. I just got smoked.
I did sweep in the beginning of the day though.
Aunt brought the broom out, so I mean, you're gonna have to check the ground when you get here. You have to skate at your own risk. I had a couple more in me, bro. I was about to skate more.
Were you?
Is that an excuse?
Boy, Craig. You know who else we got? Got Vinny.
Vinny Boom Boom. Yo, Chris, where the hell are you, bro? You're not here. You dropped the ball. We all just shredded. Where you at?
You cut, man.
Thank you for watching the 8th episode of the R.A.D Skatepark check-in right here in Elizabeth, New Jersey, the Mattano Skatepark. Just a small park, nothing fancy, nothing crazy. This session was good. I suggest coming early. A lot of kids, as you can see behind me. There's a lot of children that run around crazy. It's lawless here. So I can't do nothing about that. I had a great time. I think Aunt liked the park. Small, short, sweet. What more can you expect? Just another skate park. Our intentions after the ground report was to get back to it, and then like the kids started pouring in, and it kind of messed up the vibe. And then I dropped in and hit a rock and slammed right from the top right to the bottom. Twisted my ankle. Like, why does that happen? I wasn't even trying anything and I fell and got hurt. And I'm skating all day and why does that happen? Let us know what skate park you want us to go to next. If we're missing something that's close by, please let us know in the comment. Guys, please hit the subscription button if you have not already. I've said I can't say that enough. Please check out the Instagram channel, R.A.D Boardsport Co. Check out the merch. Please cop something and help us out on our mission. www.radboardsport.co. And like I said, thanks for watching the video and don't forget to ride all day.